Hello, my name is Senior Inspector Thomas Petty with the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office. This 60 Seconds for Safety message is one in a series of programs providing you life-saving tips on fire protection. Over the next 60 seconds, we'll cover candle safety. Candles add a cozy touch to your home, but they can also be a serious fire hazard. Don't forget, a candle is an open flame that can easily ignite anything that can burn. Place candles in sturdy, non-combustible holders and on secure furniture, unlikely to tip over. Keep burning candles a minimum of 1 foot away in all directions from combustible items. A flickering flame poses a natural curiosity and fascination for children and pets. Place candles in uncluttered areas and out of the reach of both. Check candles frequently to ensure they don't burn too far down. Do not allow them to burn down to the bottom of their container. Paraffin or wax can pool and run off and start a fire, so keep the candle wicks trimmed about 1/4 inch from the top of the candle. Don't display the candles in windows or near exits if you need to escape. They can also ignite nearby drapes and window treatments. Extinguish the candles before leaving the house or going to bed. Think about using LED candles in your home. They look and smell like real candles. Remember, fire safety in the home is an everyday project. Everyone should have a home fire escape plan and practice it twice a year. No two ways out of your room, test your smoke alarms monthly, and replace batteries every year. Make sure your whole family knows to call 911 in an emergency. This is Senior Inspector Thomas Petty with the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office, wishing you a fire safe day.